Well, great. Good morning, guys. In this video, we are going to see some questions which was asked in my company. So these are the multiple choice questions. It was assignment for us. So let us see the questions. So if you see this first question, so class sample is equal to, and they have given a program. So and they given the options. You are able to see that the option that the correct answer is compile time error. Why is compile time error? What is the mistake in this program? What is the syntactical error in this program? So the class is a keyword. It should always be written in small letters. That is the error in this program. That is why we get compile time error. Coming to next program. Class demo and brackets are opened. So there is no method and there is no main method. That's it. So if we execute this program, if we compile this program, compilation will be successful. There is no syntactical error in this program. Compilation is successful, but when it come to runtime, when we try to execute the program, we will get error. Main method exception. But compile time is successful, so the answer is compile time successful. Not we don't get any compile time error, but we get runtime error. When we execute the program, compilation is successful. For this program, compilation is successful, but when it comes to runtime, there will be an error. Main method not found method. Coming to this third program. Class car. So they have given public static void main, and they given printing statement in main method system dot out dot println of aa. So what is, I mean, the answer is compile time error. You can see it clearly. But what is error in this program? See, single inverted commas, the length of char is always one. Note this point. The length of character is always one. So here we have two characters here. And they are placed in single inverted commas, so it will throw us compile time error. That is the why we got compile time error. So remember this point, the length of the character is always one. Coming to fourth program. So can you answer is compile time error, because this Google form is already submitted. So the answer is, you can see the answer, compile time error. Why is it compile time error? See, class is a keyword, and here class name is also class. So remember this point. Rules of identifiers. If you remember the rules of identifiers, never use a keyword as an identifier. We are using keyword as an identifier. That is why we get compile time error. Okay. Yeah, fifth program, class hello. So in this program, the answer is compile time error. Why is it compile time error? Note this point. We cannot use local variable without initialization. In order to use local variable, we have to initialize local variable. So global variables can be used without initialization, but local variables has to be initialized if we want to use it. So here local variable int a is not initialized, and we are trying to print it. That is why we get compile time error. But if this int a is a global variable, we get 0 as output with the default value. So local variable has to be initialized if you want to use it. Yeah, sixth program. Class variables. We got something here. We have a program here. Int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to a. So what is b value? 10. What is b value? 10. Now a is reinitialized to 20. So now a value is 20, b value is 10. I'll tell you again. Int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to a. So b value is 10. But here a value is reinitialized, that is 20. So now a value is 20, b value is 10. A value is 10, a value is 20, b value is 10. So 20 and b. A value is 20, b value is 10. Coming to here. So if you can remember the rules of identifiers, never use special symbols while writing an identifier except dollar and underscore. So we here they have used at the rate. So we cannot use at the rate while writing an identifier, because that is why we get compile time error here. So class b is equal class by key. So we have a program char c is equal to 65 system dot out dot println of c. See, char means what? Alpha numerical values or special symbols, anything that must be in single quotes. But here they have given numerical value 65. okay, 65. So note this point, okay. In char we can store special symbols, alphanumerical values. At the same time we can also store ASCII value, ASCII. Okay, so see, okay, what is the ASCII value of 65? I mean what is the ASCII value of capital A is 65. Okay, so that is why capital A is true, is right here. Okay, coming to class demo, ninth one. Okay, so int A is equal to 20, system dot out dot c, int A is equal to 20. Okay, this is in this block. Okay, we cannot use local variable outside that block, outside that method. Okay, okay, moreover we have a block inside main method. Okay, that is why we get compile time error. Okay, so class operator, okay, system dot out dot, okay, we have int A is equal to 10 into sorry, boolean b is equal to true. Okay, system dot out dot println of a plus b, we get compile time error because we are not using string. Okay, so we get compile time error here. Compound assignment. Okay, so int A is equal to 10. So system dot out dot println of a plus is equal to 50. Okay, so it means that, okay, let me show you. Let me open notepad for it. Okay, so they have given a condition int plus is equal to 50. Okay, so let me zoom it. Okay, so int plus is equal to 50. Okay, so we can rewrite it as, a is equal to a plus 50. Okay, so both are same only, but it is shortcut form. Okay, so a is equal to a plus 50. Okay, what is a value here? A value is 10. A value is 10. So a is equal to, a value is 10, 10 plus 50. Okay, so a value will become 60. A value will become 60. A value will become 60. So here what is the output? 60. Okay, so a value will also become 60. So 60 is the answer. Okay, so here in this, for this output, for this, okay, we get output as 60. So 60 will be printed, and a is initialized, a is reinitialized as 60. Okay, and here they have asked, I mean we are going to print a value, that is 60. So 60 is the output. Okay, come on, we have another program called, okay, int num1 is equal to 10, int num2 is equal to 20. If num1 num2 is equal to 5, okay, so we are reinitializing num2 value as 5. Okay, so num2 value will become 5 here. Okay, so 5 equal to num1 value is 10. So 5 equal to 10, which is true or false? False. Okay, so else block will get executed. What is there in else block? What is num2 value now? 5. Okay, we have reinitialized it as 5. Okay, so we have pre-increment here. Okay, so 5 will become 6. Okay, 6 is the output. Okay, so you know about what pre-increment is. It will increase the first and it will print. Okay, so 1 will be increased, 5 will become 6, that 6 will be printed. Okay, so 13th program is also the same. Okay, yeah, which loop constructor guarantees at least one loop body is executed at least once? Do while. Okay, even the condition is false, the loop will executed at least once, that is do while. Okay, if you go with do while, the condition, I mean the loop will be executed for at least one time. Okay, so that we can discuss when we discuss do while. Okay, so state true or false. Okay, so the answer for it we have cited in ChatGPT. So I don't know why it is false. Okay, soon we will discuss about it. Okay, so public static void main. Okay, so for loop. Okay, so if you can see here, so we are updating I value two times. Okay, here we are updating I value, here update I will be increased by 1, and here I will be increased to 2. Okay, so I is equal to 0. Okay, I less than 0 less than 5, true. Allow will be printed. Again we have a condition, I is equal to I plus 1. I is equal to I plus 1 is nothing but I plus is equal to, I think they have given 2 there. Yeah, see, I plus I is equal to 2, it is nothing but I is equal to I plus 2. Okay, what is I value? I value is 0. Okay, 0 plus 2, so finally I value becomes 2. Okay, so 2, I is equal to 2, 2 less than 5, true. Okay, so but again here increment is there, right? So I value will become 3. Okay, so here updation is there, I plus plus is there. Okay, post increment is there, I value will be increased again. Okay, so I value will become 3, 3 less than 5, true. Okay, so hello will be printed, hello will be printed, second time hello is printed. Now again I plus is equal to 2 is there. Okay, sorry, so I plus is equal to 2 is there, which means, okay, so which means I is equal to I plus 2. Okay, so I value is 3. Okay, so 3 plus 2 is equal to, sorry, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, so I value is 5. Okay, so if you can come here, okay, I is equal to 5, 5 less than 5 false. Okay, for loop gets stopped. How many times hello is printed? 2 times. Okay, so the answer is for it is 2 times. Okay, so class bus. Okay, so the answer for it as of now I don't know, but we can discuss it further. Okay, so class data is equal to, yeah, see if you can see here, class data is equal to, this is a static method. Okay, so m1 static method, and from main method we are calling that static method. Okay, so when we try, I mean, first JVM calls main method for execution. In main method we have a method called statement m1, and this control will be shifted to m1. In m1 the first statement is return 10. Okay, return 10, so it will go back to again main method. What is there in main method? Nothing is there, so program gets ended. Okay, so output, so yeah, we nothing is printed, but here we have another bracket extra, that is why we get compile time error. Okay, that is why we get compile time error. We have another flower bracket extra, that is why we get compile time error. Okay, so uh, see, I have written wrong answer, but a is equal to ASCII value of small a is 97, ASCII value of capital A is 98. Okay, so it will return 195, so the answer for it is 195. Okay, so what is the return type of a method that does not return any value? Okay, you know what you mean by return type. Okay, so this is the return type. Okay, so void is the return type. Okay, so return type is nothing but which exits before method name. So the what is the method of the what is the name of this method is main method. Okay, what is name of this method is m1 method. What is the name of let me show what is name of this method is main, just like that. Okay, so this return type will exist beside method name. Okay, so the return type of a method that does not return any value, if the method is not returning any value, then the return type is void. Okay, so for example here, so it is returning. Okay, so return type is int. Okay, if it is not returning anything means the return value is void. Okay, so thank you for watching this. Hope you know all the points. Okay, so we can have discussion later.